Do you want to know how you can log into your NYS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NYS Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for NYS Payroll login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of NYS Payroll. Now you can see there is sign in option. Go ahead and click on sign in, which is over here. Then you will be headed to the official login portal of NYS Payroll. The first step is to write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box and then go ahead to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it once. Make sure that your username and password is connected or associated with your NYS Payroll. After you write down your username and password, click sign in. This way, you can successfully sign in to your NYS Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the two links to retrieve back your username and recover your password once again. If you don't have an account yet and want to create a NYS Payroll account, click on this link. So guys, this is how you log into your NYS Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.